Alexa, turn on the office monitors. Okay, so this is just showing off a little bit now, but basically I just wanted to do a quick update to let you know what I've been up to. Obviously, if you're a Patreon follower of mine, you will have seen the progress as I turned this from a garage into what will be my office moving forward. But I wanted to do a quick update for everyone, just because I'm super proud of where I've got to with it, and I'm really excited because it's so close. As you can see, managed to get all the PC and everything all in and rigged up and done some nice clever stuff with the lighting and all of this. I've got a quick 3D printer set up, rigged up, so that I could print some of these. I quickly designed and printed these cable guides. So these sit on the back of the desk, and all my cables run through it so that you don't get all the cables dangling down, and keeps it all nice and neat. Obviously I've got a piano. You should always have a piano in the office. That's the way. And I've started putting together some storage and all of this so that I can actually keep all these reels of filament and so on. So yeah, it's just exciting. It's coming together. I've just finished the CCTV. I've got the alarm system now all in. So pretty much everything is there done, ready for me to start now using it. So as soon as it's all in, I'm going to be back onto doing videos, and I will do some new C4D tutorials. I promise I will. But if you have any requests or suggestions, things that you want to see me do, then just let me know. Stick them in the comments. Of course, if you've got anything you want to see me print, if you've got a tutorial for cinema that you'd like to see me do, then let me know and I will do my best and see how we get on. But anyway, so just a quick update. I just wanted you to have a quick look at what I've been up to. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao for now. How do I turn this off?